Step 1 can only be installed on the driver's side. Using an M5 Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench, install the blind nut in the opening by the tailgate pivot point. So that's going to be right here. This is the nutsert tool. So we're going to use that with our 10mm wrench to go right here, and our Allen wrench to hold the back side.
I don't think I turned it.
We remove the Allen head bolt from the tool, and that leaves behind threads. So now the tailgate has threads in it. Install the bottom ball mount plate by placing the bolt through the hole in the plate into the nutsert. Tighten with M4 Allen and torque to 8 foot-pounds. So we're going to grab this plate right here. Looks like that. And that's going to go right here like so. So the bolt we're going to put through there is this. It already comes with some blue Loctite on it. Look, you wonder how I have two left hands right here. You see that? I got two left hands. It's awesome. Alright, she's in there. She's tightened down to 8 foot-pounds. That's where the bottom of the shock is going to mount. So the next step is to put the top mount in. And so we'll go to step number 3. Remove tailgate cable and use a 13mm wrench socket to remove the cable bolt. So that's right here. So we're going to take that out next. We got this off by lifting up the tailgate, sliding it off of there. Next step is to take the bolt out. 13mm. Step 4, using the bolt removed in the previous step, attach the top ball mount plate using a 13mm wrench. Hold the plate in place vertically when tightening it, as it will rotate if not held. So that's this plate right here. So put that on. Put the bolt back through the top in the same threaded holes and tighten it up. So he's holding it straight right there where he wants it.
The vertical?
Looks like it to me. You're going to tighten her up. Alright. So the next step is to put the tailgate cable back on. Alright. Install the larger part of the shock on top ball mount and the narrow end on the bottom. That's what we're going to do here. So the top ball's on. We're going to lift the tailgate a little bit to put the bottom one on. Alright, there we go. We've got her installed. We're going to test her out. So put the tailgate up. Close is good. Gonna let it down. Ooh, that's pimping right there. That's nice. That's a good job. That's what it looks like installed. That's the whole job.